Welcome back to Stoy Crypto. In this video I want to show you how to purchase a Bitcoin Ordinal on Magic Eden, which is one of the more popular marketplaces for trading ordinals. So the first step is to go ahead and connect your wallet to Magic Eden. In this case we're using Xverse. So we're going to go ahead and log into our wallet. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and approve the connection to Magic Eden. You'll see once you're connected, it will show your profile up here. In this example, I'm going to use Bitmap. So Bitmap is a theoretical metaverse that's being built on top of Bitcoin. Please do your own research. This is not financial advice. The purpose of the video is just to show you the mechanics of buying an ordinal on Magic Eden, so I don't want to dive into the project. Here is the current floor price, 0.00085 Bitcoin, over 68,000 total traded within this project. And there's over 24,000 owners, which I think today just surpassed Sandbox. And here's the total supply. Right now there's currently 61 buys pending, which is quite a lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to find one that's available. So it looks like this one's available, so we're going to click on it. And a couple of things I like to look at right away. First of all, the list price. First thing I like to do is copy that list price and then go to CoinGecko and then go to Bitcoin, and if you scroll down a little bit, there's a converter where you can paste that number in and it'll convert it to US dollars, so it's about $30. All right, and then right now the network fees are quite high. Low is $12, $13, so this is just a priority in which how fast that transaction will be confirmed on the blockchain. And then what I like to do is take a quick look at the attributes. You can look at the inscription number. Inscription number is important in a lot of the projects. The lower the number, the better. Bitmap's a little bit different in that you're just buying theoretical land in this metaverse, so it's not as important, but it is still something you want to look at. I also like to scroll down and take a look at the activity of the actual ordinal and see if it's been bought or sold. In this case, this one was created 4 months ago. It was just listed about 13 minutes ago. So there's been no trading history on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose medium and I'm going to say buy now. Your Xverse wallet will pop up. It'll ask you to confirm the transaction. This much Bitcoin, which is $38, is what it's going to cost. Click confirm. A message will pop up down here. Transaction submitted successfully. You'll see this message that a transaction is currently pending in the Bitcoin mempool, awaiting network confirmation. So you can click on this link, which will open up mempool, where you can look at the transaction in real time. You can see it's currently unconfirmed. So what we want to do is wait and see when this is confirmed. I'm going to pause this video and I'll be right back. While we're waiting, we can go ahead and open up our Xverse wallet. And if you click on BTC, you'll see transaction history. We're currently sending that amount of Bitcoin and we're waiting to receive an ordinal. All right, so I'll pause it again and we'll be right back. All right, so we have 2 confirmations. It looks like this transaction has gone through. Let's go ahead and go back to Magic Eden and let's take a look at our Xverse wallet. Looks like the Bitcoin was taken out. Let's click on the gem down here to take a look at our collectibles. And we're looking for number 746233. So let's see if it's in here. There it is, 746233. We can also take a look at this and confirm that it's gone through by clicking on our profile and then click on my items. And you can see here it is displayed in my items on Magic Eden 746233. So the total time it took for that to be confirmed on the Bitcoin blockchain was about, I would say, about 20 minutes. Again, right now, Bitcoin, the network is pretty busy. So it can vary anywhere between 10 minutes to 20 to 30 minutes. So that's how you purchase a Bitcoin Ordinal on Magic Eden. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.